Adrenaline, yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Hey everyone, it's I, Destroyer, the Defender, picking up with another YouTube video today.
What's the status in Murray Hill?
We are back in Marvel Spider-Man ps4, New Game Plus. Episode, I don't know, 21, 22, 20, something, I don't know. And a call from Jameson. Well, not from Jameson.
Paranoid, conspiracy theories, all nasty words people have used to insult.
Okay, well, anyway, All-Stars.
After years of me trying to
We
warn
have
you
to change
all,
our superpowers, so let me do that real quick. While Jameson on about how amazing Spider-Man is, we will be choosing Blitz. When we sprint, well, we're more of a charging bull. Anyway, last time we chose the 2099 suit, as you can see. Anyway, back to order from Jameson. And last time, we were doing, we were doing side quests, but today, it's back to main mission. More from Jameson.
brought a plague down upon us. Why do I blame him and not Martin Lee? I do blame Martin Lee. He deserves swift justice, but he's a lunatic terrorist. This is what they do. Whereas Spider-Man claims to be a hero. Yet
Because I am.
He obviously knew about the threat and didn't warn us. He either thought he'd handled it, which makes him criminally negligent, or he was in on it, which makes him a terrorist too.
What? Okay, you know what? I'm telling you, All-Stars, Jameson's gonna blame Spidey for everything, and I mean every flipping thing. But besides that, our time scale for today is 30 minutes. Oh my God.
This is Control. What's
The next
situation,
video
Brian?
might be Minecraft. Anyway,
Okay, Captain, got eyes on. Fill me in.
yeah.
Rhino's assaulting the Upper West Precinct. Electro's at the Upper East. We need you to turn the tide. Head to either. They're both equally screwed.
All right. Here we go, All-Stars. Helix. Dang it! I was trying to do one of those. Okay. Camera, move ever so kindly. There we go.
Peter.
Hey, man, what's going on?
We need help at Feast.
Oh my God, I'm getting sniped at.
The Veteran Center in Harlem. What's wrong?
Yeah.
From Rikers are demanding food and supplies. The staff are
Oh my God.
inside, but they need help.
No, thank you.
Miles and I are headed there to evacuate the staff.
Don't do anything until I get there, May. I'll meet you in Harlem. May sounds exhausted. I really hope she isn't sick.
Okay,
I need to
All-Stars. All-Stars. It's obviously not safe for me to. Are you kidding me? I haven't even set up a tower there.
Yuri, then get to Harlem.
Yeah, I was gonna fast travel, but since literally I have not set up a tower there yet, because it's not even safe here anywhere for me. And I just punched a sable dude after point launching. Well, before point launching, but yes, I did that on purpose because they are sniping at me.
1013.
No, thank you.
Fire from snipers.
Are you kidding?
Additional officers near Sycamore.
Forget the cops. I'm under fire.
Yuri, I'm nearing the Upper East Precinct.
Yeah.
Good. Electro and the demons are boxing my men in. The setup is complicated. You'll understand when you get there.
Yuri Watanabe,
Okay.
master of suspense.
Okay, All-Stars. We're making good time. Okay, what is going on? Electro, Sparkle Fingers, what are you doing? Also, All-Stars, greatest apologies if the mic cuts out. Also, Destroyer Defender is hereby not responsible for any cursor set in hereby video game. Thank you. Yeah, you guys should stop trying to exit.
This isn't good. Transformers are charging the building, trapping the police inside.
Huh?
Yuri, complicated was an understatement.
I know what to
have
do.
Disable these transformers to free your men.
Even if you manage that, they'll still need your help with the demons.
That's why I'm here, ready to serve all
I
your
can't see.
electricity and demon-related
I
needs.
can't see. Wait, I can't see. I can't see. Okay.
5 transformers total. Loading them up with webbing should cause them to overheat. I hope.
All right.
4 more of these suckers.
Of course, there's a sniper. All right, I gotta get rid of a few of these dudes. Okay, well, never mind. I'm just going for the transformer. Are you serious? Come on, why can't the transformer stay still? I mean the helicopter. I'm gonna get the one on the roof. Awesome.
Two down, 3 to go. Man, I did not miss dealing with Electro's elaborate supervillain antics while he was in the raft. Trapping the police with a network of energy transformers? Who does that?
Psychos.
Great. 2 left.
Stupid controller! Oh no, no. Can't I just stay in one spot? This man, get out of here, please. He'll be fine. This man's gonna learn how to fly. Yeah, have this. I'm tired of that. Are you kidding me? Well, not those. Man, what if I just went for Electro? Man, get off of the building, Spidey. Okay, here's the problem. The controller sucks. All controllers. I figured out. Okay, where is the flippin' helicopter? All right, there it is. Wait, where is it? I'm lost. There we go. Kidding me. Okay, come on. Why can't I hit this freaking thing? Alright, who's launching the rockets? I'm tired of them. All stars, I'm so sorry. Controllers. Everything's so less intense now. Why? Why do you gotta move that? No. Please. Just let me hit the helicopter. Alright. Time out. Here's the problem, All-Stars. I set the timer for 30 minutes for a 30-minute video. And everything is not going right today. Why? Why does the controller have to be so stiff? The first controller, it just messed up completely. You didn't have full control. Now the second one, you don't have any control, All-Stars. You can barely control it. It's so stiff. You see how I'm moving it right now? That's the surface. You barely scratched the surface now. Return to the freaking mission. Yo, helicopter, stop moving, please. Up there? Okay, well, I'm taking a few people out now, because I really don't care. Here, this is yours. No. Get off. Off the building. You, sir. Here, have whatever this is. No! What is... The game don't like me anymore. Are you kidding? Wait, that could... Wait, what's my objective? Into the fire, main mission. Take out the transformers. Okay. Easier said than done, huh?
Attached. It can't be easy to fly like that. Did they train specifically for this one obscure scenario? So many questions.
Did they train specifically to avoid me?
Only one more.
One more? Pete, I can't even take two. Hi, how's it going? No! Here, this how you can have that. I don't care. I don't care. I finished this. As far as I'm concerned, I finished this also.
Need to lend a hand.
Whatever. This is yours. I don't care. All y'all demons, I'm tired of you. All of y'all. Here, have one. Have one. Have one. Have one. Have the whole freaking parking lot if you want. Here. Seriously, All-Stars, the Transformers were enough. Not Optimus Prime Transformer. Just the Transformers were enough. Give me this. You don't need a scythe. You're not Grim Reaper. We done? Okay.
Yuri, your men are safe. What's next?
Get to the Upper West Side. We're trying to shelter civilians, but Rhino isn't making it easy.
He never does. On my way.
Okay. As far as I'm concerned, I don't care anymore. Is there fast travel? No, there's not. All the fast travels.
Miles left a voicemail.
Pete! Hey, Pete! Hey, May wanted me to call you. Things in the Veteran Center are not good. Convicts are trying to break down the doors. Mary Jane's here, but we're getting people out of the basement. We need more help.
Okay.
I hope you can get here soon.
I need to finish with the precincts fast and get to Harlem.
Alright. Well, we'll have to do that in another video, because that's All-Stars. I have to get this time in all for anything. Well, not like in the main story, New Game Plus. I mean like the game before that. Okay, we're here at the precinct. What's going on? Rhino, what are you doing? Why are y'all shooting at it? It's the Rhino. I think he's bulletproof. Or kinda. That man is a bulldozer. Yup. Walking bulldozer.
Yuri, Rhino's on the move, but former guests of Rikers are laying into your police barricades. I'm gonna even the odds.
Do it. If those barricades fall, the people inside are done for.
Alright. Have some trash. Finisher. I don't even know anymore. Bonus finisher. Here, you want to be tasering me? You want to throw rockets at me? You want to have Transformers try and shock me? Finisher. I don't care anymore, All-Stars. Here. I know I haven't come up with the clever quote for the video, but enough is enough, okay? Enough transforming voice. Get no problem.
Never seen Rhino walk away from a fight like this. He must be working on orders from Dr. Octavius, making quick hit and runs on the city's emergency response teams.
Okay. Time to get rid of bootleg whiplash. The key to being faster, to defeating whiplash, is being quicker than him. Ow. Will they stop it with the Molotovs? Stop it with the guns. Stop shooting me, please. You. Get away. You. I'm tired of you. Get away. Back off. On the ground. Not. Oh my god. Gosh. Alright. Well. Okay, seriously, what the round and round you're going off the wall. I don't care.
Get to the other barricade! They need you!
Y'all can't do anything yourselves, huh? Y'all need me, huh? don't want this. Okay. Well, yeah, once and I don't know what I'm doing. Nope. Taser, taser. Bomb, I don't care. Anything goes. Of course. Taser. Again with the bombs. Can we stop it with the bombs? Every dude with the shield has a bomb. Can I get a bomb? I don't see me with a bomb. This is completely unfair. This is spider inequality. And you like guns so much, huh? Get stuck to a wall. Is that it? Nope. Oh, wait, I think that's it.
Spider-Man, up top! Bring down the building! I'm not gonna let that happen.
Ow, ow, oh my god, oh my god. I got here mid-section of the part of that game. Nope. You all can get kicked off the roof, for all I care. Finisher!
One roof clear.
Yep, we'll get to the rest next time, All-Stars. Y'all ain't bringing Jack Frost down. You know why? Because this is New York and I'll protect it to the end. Ow! You know, I keep talking a big game, yet the controller can't do Jack Frost for me. And every time I end up talking a big game, I get hurt. It's like the saying goes, do something cool, you get hurt. It's not a saying, but I just made it. Ow, what the? Sable?
Priority target acquired. Proceeding to pacify.
You know, you guys can't be taking care of the...
Jetpacks. Who thought it was a good idea
God.
to give these
Oh
guys
my god,
jetpacks?
no.
Guys, we're on the same team. At least wait to attack me till after we take out the convicts.
Yeah.
Lawbreakers will be pacified.
Hey, All-Stars, I guess I know what movie
Anyone else
Sable
here
was in.
1984 right now?
Well, Sable...
Just me?
Min... The Wizard of Oz. Ha, they were the flying monkeys. They were good in that other movie. Finisher! Bonus finisher! They were good in that other movie. Finisher! Here we go! Everyone, stop shooting. We're all on the same side. Well, except for the escaped convicts. Hitting me!
Did you guys design those little energy bullets?
Well, All-Stars. After a loss, Spider-Man was then taken into custody and never seen again. Wait, no. The RPG's on the roof. Okay, thank the multiverse. I thought some sending me back.
Spider-Man, up top! Convicts are on the RPG! They'll bring down the building! I'm not gonna let that happen. I'm on it.
Ow! Seriously, All-Stars, why does this happen to me? I talk a lot, and yeah, getting hurt. Get off the building. Huh? There's one dude. Finisher! I think the key to this is focusing on Sable when they pop up. Which is now.
There are easier ways to ask for an autograph. Jetpacks. Who thought it was a good idea to give these guys jetpacks? Guys,
Somebody.
we're on the same team. At least wait to attack me till after we take out the convicts.
Okay, well,
Anyone else feeling very
maybe
1984 right
focus
now? Oh,
on a
just
good
me?
idea.
Come on, anybody?
Okay, well, okay. Peter? Okay, well, you're near death. Return to mission. Ow. Already? No, thank you. It's hop in and hop out. That's all I know. No, thank you. Please stop. I'm getting hurt. I don't like being hurt. I'm gonna die from fire now. No, thank you.
Nice to see you, Spider. How about some payback for putting me away?
I need. I requested the spider bots. Okay, All-Stars, we're going way over our limit. Man, you still ain't done? No, I'm so close. Don't do this to me. You know what? If you don't succeed first, if you don't first succeed, try and try again.
Spider-Man, up top! Convicts are on the RPG! They'll bring down the building! Not gonna let that happen. I'm on it. One roof clear.
Okay, Sable. They pop up right after the second roof I take out.
Spider-Man back. We gotta bring this building down.
No, thank you. Finisher, I don't care. Sable's overpowering me, okay? And now they're gonna pop up in 3, 2, wait. They'll be here any minute. In 3, 2, there we go, right on cue.
Priority target acquired. Proceeding to pacify.
There are easier ways to ask for an autograph. Jetpacks. Who thought it was a good idea to give these guys jetpacks? Guys, we're on the same team. At least wait to attack me till after we take out the convicts.
All lawbreakers will be pacified.
Anyone else feeling very 1984 right now? Oh, just me? Come on, anybody?
Nice to see you, Spider. How about some payback for putting me away?
I don't care. Sable's trying to kill me. Honestly, I'm kind of wondering how it all. Okay, didn't mean to do that. Finisher. Bonus finisher. I mean, Sable's kind of helping out. The only problem is they don't incapacitate the dudes like I do. They just stun them. Finisher. Hair.
That's it for Sable's airborne commandos. Now to mop up the rest of the Rikers escapees.
I don't care. Anything goes. No, don't you dare. Nope. I'm so close. Not a single one of you. There we go. Fetch. There.
Yuri, precinct is secure. And I just found out what it means to be Sable's priority target.
Yeah.
Not fun.
It really
That'll teach you
isn't.
to piss off international mercenaries.
Guess
See?
so. Okay, I need to sign off for a bit. Call me if things go south.
Will do. And thanks. You've given us a fighting chance.
Okay.
Okay, All
I need
Stars.
to hustle to Feast's sister site in Harlem and help May.
Sorry if the videos become somewhat.
Peter, thank God. We need you at the Veterans Center. Where are you?
I got held up.
Are you
Are
kidding
you
me?
okay? What's happening?
The
Yeah.
convict started a fire. We got the
What?
building staff out, but May and Miles are trapped inside. I'm trying to find a
No,
way
not
to
Aunt
get them.
May.
The fire's
I mean,
spreading so
Miles. Yeah,
fast.
whatever.
Stay where you are.
Not
Ethan.
Aunt May.
I'll handle this. Damn it. Move it, Pete. Move.
Okay, All Stars. I apologize if the videos become somewhat of over an hour long.
This is Control. What's the situation in Robinson?
All right,
Peter,
I'm
fire
here.
rescue's on the way. I found a fire escape that'll get me.
MJ, stay back. I don't
Why
wanna
are
have
you
rescue
trying to
too.
go into a fire?
Crazy. Wait for help.
Huh? Spider-Man! Aunt May? Miles?
Hey!
Anyone? Seriously, this is a burning building. This reminds me of Spider-Man 1. When Peter first met the Green Goblin, or second time. Aunt May! Miles! But really, Aunt May!
Hang on!
Seriously, hang on.
Get to the
This is really heavy.
It's too far. Hold on.
Kidding me? Something has to. Mary Jane! Peter, and that is why we have sidekicks or partners, whatever you want to clarify. Huh. This is really heavy. Get off this thing, quick.
Stupid piece of... Come on, May. I've got you.
Oh no. Peter, where's your spidey senses?
Go.
Miles, what are you doing? And May, don't look back for him. We got him covered.
Come on.
No! Alright, but Peter... Okay, your spidey senses must be really late. Aye! Here we go! Oh god. Yes! Miles! You have saved my life. I owe you a debt of gratitude. But sadly, I'll have to give that to you after I save New York. Ah.
We've got you.
Now let's get out of this kitchen. All right. That was something. I apologize, All Stars, if the video suddenly became 45 or 48 minutes long. But we had to do this part. Everything was difficult anyway. I died by Sable or the convicts 3 times over. I don't know.
Is May
All right.
Everyone is safe.
MJ, if it weren't for you and Miles,
Seriously, they would have
As
been toast.
dead as I would have been the last 8,500 times you saved me.
I
Pretty
guess
sure I
so.
still owe you a few.
You owe me a dozen more times.
Hey. I'm sorry I screwed things up. It's just
Huh?
hard being the one who always gets saved, you know? Sometimes I want to do the saving.
I'm sorry I made you feel like you couldn't. Still partners?
Seriously.
Always.
Yes!
So I didn't know if,
Miles, what are you...
you wanted sparkling or
Are
or
you
flat
kidding me?
or spring?
Okay.
Or mountain spring? So I got one of each.
I'll take Mountain Spring, please.
Am I interrupting?
No. MJ, Ms. Watson, and I were
Imagine
just
if
talking
that was an
strategy.
actual part in the game where you could choose what water Peter wanted at this
That's
point.
right. The city is in danger.
It needs our help.
All of our help.
All right, well, call the play, coach.
Okay.
Divide and conquer. Ms. Watson, we need an anti-serum for Devil's Breath. Oscorp's developing something, but there's no way they can keep it safe from Octavius and Lee. We need
So?
to find the cure and protect it.
I'll chase down some leads.
Yes. Good
Miles,
work.
You need to be my eyes and ears at Feast. Anything goes wrong, call me. We need to keep that place and the people there safe.
All right, you got it. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna save New
Getting
York.
Costume nut jobs is taking the city apart piece by piece.
Last time I stopped
Time I
them.
return the favor.
Yeah.
All
Huh.
right. Hey, wait. How do I call you?
Uh,
I mean, you have like a cell phone in your.
If I had a Spidey
Pockets or
hotline,
something?
I couldn't do the
Ms.
main
Watson can
mission.
give you my number. Good luck, team.
Yep. Whee!
You have his number. Are you Spider-Man's girlfriend?
X.
That'd be so cool.
Come on,
She's X, but
Sherlock.
okay.
Show me what you got in this water smorgasbord.
What's a smorgasbord? But seriously, I would have taken Mountain Spring. Or were those two different things and two separate words? Okay, into the fire, complete. Alright, now that we've taken care of that, All-Stars. Activate towers to find nearby crimes. Are you kidding me? What is this? Okay, well that explains
City
what happened.
feels a little more under control. Miles is watching Feast. MJ is tracking a
Okay,
Devil's Breath cure. Time for me to focus on finding Otto. Stopping whatever he has planned.
Okay, All-Stars.
Yuri, we need to start tracking the big boys.
Yeah.
Still no leads on Octavius?
Magic.
No, nothing. Forensics can't even do a sweep of Times
It's
Square.
complete.
Everyone in that department but the intern is sick.
I might be able to turn something up. Let you know what I find.
Okay, since nowhere is safe for me to just stay and say the outro, I'm just gonna stay right here since it's the only sane option.
You know what I like about you, kid? You're always getting better.
Gee, thanks, creepy stalker guy.
Yeah.
You can call me Taskmaster.
Because you keep leaving me
Oh.
tasks. That's kind of on the nose.
There's a group of mercenaries committing crimes across the city.
These mercenaries wouldn't happen to be your mercenaries, would they?
Yeah.
All I know is they're getting paid well for their work. Unless you stop them, that is.
What's in it for you?
I get to watch and learn.
Okay, creepy stalker dude. Nice. Anyway, All-Stars, it is I, Destroyer, the Defender, and ending off another YouTube video, Sync. If you're new coming to the channel, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a return subscriber, remember just hit the like button, because if you hit the subscribe button again, you will unsubscribe, please. Don't do this to me. Anyway, next time, we will be changing the suits. I don't have a quote for this time. So, yeah, anyway, no word from Jameson before I end the video off.
Who isn't emerging from this crisis in a positive light. Mayor Osborn. Experimenting on something as deadly as Devil's Breath in the heart of Manhattan is the height of irresponsibility. What did Osborn know and when did he know it? The answer could mean the difference between electoral defeat, impeachment, and prison. Stay tuned to the only voice you can trust in these dire times. Mine.
Okay, anyway, All-Stars, remember, stay on the All-Star team. and peace out.